All right, gonna do a Korean kimchi noodle soup. Neat thing is this company is actually based out of the U.S., so it says. Um, but kimchi itself, as you know, is a Korean dish. I was just talking about it with my friends, but kind of curious. It's a pretty heavy-duty packaging. Boiling the water. I got some beef balls in there already. I'm actually gonna lower it. Let's take a look, see what they got inside. Cool. So the noodles are a little more sturdier, circular shape. I don't think that hydrating it in the kettle will not work, so it's got to go in here. There we go. Might have to add some water, we'll see. In the packets, apparently it's real kimchi. I'm not sure if this is just the spice or not, but let's take a look. Yeah, it looks like this is garlic. Dried up garlic, which is going to be great. And according to the packaging, there is real kimchi in there, seasoned with real kimchi. So it might be in here. Or maybe that garlic was it, so find out. All right. I've had this going on for quite some time. Oh shoot, it's gonna be hot. There we go. Probably gonna take the meatballs out. It's been here for, they come made from the factory or wherever they make it. It's beef balls, has a little bit of wheat in it just to keep it together. But they come already cooked and frozen, and I've already had it in here for quite some time, so I'm just gonna take it out. I'm gonna shut this. Off to the distance, you know, yes, I think it is. It's like kimchi flakes that was dried up in there, and then the seasoning. I am going to add cilantro. I'll put the kale in first just to get it withered. And then of course, when I think of kimchi, I think of a little bit of spice and lime, lemon juice. So I'll be adding more to it once it's ready. Actually, I can do it right now, wouldn't matter. There you go, take a look at this, how it pours out. Should be good. Again, I like really spicy things, so this is Carolina Reaper flakes. I'm gonna put some on top, so. Take a look, see what it looks like here. Oh, that's good. I'm gonna turn it off. Should be plenty hot. I thought about removing some of the water, but this is pretty low as is, so I'm gonna leave it. Here we go, let's take a look at this. Right onto it. There we go. Gonna stir it around just to get the kale cooked. See how it's already changing more bright colors. It's beautiful. Smells fantastic. Definitely smells like kimchi. Pretty neat. Add cilantro. And this time I'm just gonna throw this in there and take bites out of it. And there you have it.